In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable shortcuts notifications on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Shortcuts app. After that, tap right here to go to Automation. As you can see here, I got just one automation here, and it always shows banner pop-up when the automation starts running. And now I'm gonna show you how we can easily disable that feature. To do that, first off, you need to get into that automation, and somewhere here at the very top you will find the option Notify when run. All we have to do, guys, is just turn it off and then just tap at Done to apply the changes. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.